Good morning from Mastertrust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 29th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 0.16%, settling the day at 45,636.90, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,705.16, increasing 0.53%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 42,689 and Hang Seng is trading at 25,095. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,678, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 3,856.51 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 6,920.34 crore in the last trading session. US tariff blow, government finalizing support package for exporters to address liquidity crunch. India's index of industrial production records growth of 3.5% in July 2025. Now talking about global aspects, US preliminary GDP rose 3.3% versus 3.1% forecast and 3.0% prior. US jobless claims fell to 229K, below forecasts of 231K in prior 234K. WTI rose 0.7% to $64.60 a barrel, and Brent rose 0.8% to $68.62 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 97.90. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.01%, up. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices declined for the second consecutive session, hitting a two-week low as markets reopened after a midweek holiday. Investor sentiment weakened amid rising concerns over the economic fallout from the US's additional 25% tariff on Indian goods, raising total duties to 50%, largely in response to India's Russian oil imports. Outlook for today, Nifty declined for the second consecutive session, hitting a two-week low as markets reopened after a midweek holiday. It is trading below its 21-day and 55-day moving averages, around the 24,800 to 24,820 zone, which will now act as strong resistance. Support is seen at 24,350, and if that breaks, the index could fall further toward 24,200. With weak sentiment and technical pressure, the market remains a sell-on rise for now. Bank Nifty extended its decline, slipping over 1% and breaking below its recent consolidation zone. It continues to trade below its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, indicating sustained weakness. Immediate support lies at 53,500, a breakdown may lead to further downside toward 53,000. For any recovery, the index must reclaim 55,000 decisively. Until then, the trend remains bearish, and the current technical setup supports a sell-on-rise strategy for short-term traders. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, NTPC, Uno Minda, Titan, Nykaa, Voltas. Bearish view, CDSL, BSA, Coforge, SBI, LIC Housing Finance. Trade of the day is bullish on ITC, buy at 403, stop loss 390. Target 419. Rationale, support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.